I cured the egg yolk with little bit of soy sauce, smoke it with I get artichoke hearts from Egypt, and they are very fruity, flavorful, good texture. It's good artichoke to cook with. I like to work with Chef Warehouse because they can provide high quality produce. It's summer, so it's good to eat chilled soup. Puree them, a thin slice of Iberico Pata Negra paleta from Chef Warehouse as well. This is for me the best ham in the world. Marinated egg yolk on the top, a nice ham ice cream. We are in Vegas to create magical atmosphere and bring the wow factor. Partage is a French fine dining modern style of cooking. I am born and raised in south of France. I used to work with farmers and I like to keep this touch in my style of cooking. So the idea is to work with the best supplier and have a good contact with them, where you can find the best quality of food. And Chef Warehouse is easy for me to work with because they provide a large selection of products, best quality you can find all around the world. The scallops from Chef Warehouse are always beautiful and easy to use. This dish is cured wild-caught scallops with spiral, cucumber, pickles and citrus, seaweed whipped butter, zucchini flour on the top, served with chilled cucumber broth.